welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Don't forget to subscribe below and hit that little bell and you will get notifications every time I post a new video. And if you like what you see in the video, please give it a like. I would appreciate that. So today I am wearing Taylor by Noriko in the color Ginger Brown. So Taylor might look kind of familiar because she looks similar to the On Point wig that I just reviewed a few weeks back. The differences in On Point and Taylor are that Taylor is not heat-friendly fiber. This is just regular synthetic fiber. And she has a left side mono part, whereas On Point had that middle mono part. This is still just a mono part, so just like you were committed to the middle mono part on Point, you are committed to the left side mono part on Taylor. But I got the opportunity to do a little trade with one of my wig sisters, so I traded one of my wigs for this one, and both of us had wigs that were practically brand new, didn't have wear on the fibers or anything, so I took the opportunity because I really wanted to try this wig. And particularly after trying On Point and trying an angled bob, I was anxious to try something that did have a side part. So really cute piece. So let's jump in and start talking about this cute Taylor. So Taylor has a lace front and a left side mono part, which I'll show you that part on the inside of the cap in a moment. But her lace front is really well done. Noriko does a nice job with their lace fronts. Their wigs have a lot of hair sewn in, and you know, whether it's the machine wefts or on the monofilament where it's hand tied in. But so those knots are small, which is really nice because for these dark colors in particular, those knots are not super obvious to the eye, which I really like. And I'll probably trim this lace back a little bit. I just haven't done it yet. I kind of like to show these when I do my review without me having done a lot to them. The only thing I have done to this wig is that when I got her, she wanted to be like this, hanging in my face. So I did have to work on her a little bit. And if you follow me on Instagram, or I just started a new Facebook page called Never a Bad Hair Day as well. But I did a little video, a little IGTV video on Instagram where I showed how I steamed that hair out of my face. And I'm much happier with it getting that hair out of my face because it just kept wanting to just totally be flopped in my face. So this side, I'm gonna show you how I've been working on this side a little bit using my hot air brush as opposed to the steaming method. So, but before we talk about that, let's jump in. Let's talk about her color. So the color is Ginger Brown. Ginger Brown is a medium auburn brown blended with equal parts of medium brown. So again, like I always love, a reddish brown. So, but I think the predominant color that you see is the medium brown, and there's some reflection, you know, of the auburn going through it too. When you get right up to the light, I don't know if it's going to show in this light, but I noticed when I took a close-up picture of it when I did that steaming video, I did some still shots also, I could see that auburn in there too. So really pretty color. This is a little bit different. I had Angelica in just the medium brown, and so this just kind of adds those hints of auburn to that medium brown, but they aren't super obvious to the eye. It is a blend, so you're not going to see a visible highlight or a chunky, you know, auburn going through it at all. So really cute. So let me do a turn so you can see it from all the sides. So front, really cute. My right side, you can see that angle. The back, really cute. I love the cut in the back. I'd actually love to have her in a bob just with that back cut. And then here's the left side. So you can see there's quite a difference from up here going down to this side. So her measurements are 13 inches here in the front, and then she's 10 inches from the crown, probably around this area. And then the nape back here is 2.75 inches. And that was one thing that my friend who had this wig, she wished that it had a little bit longer nape. But for me, I think it has enough nape if you don't have a ton of hair that you're putting up in there. She does have long hair. So I think it probably just felt like it just wasn't enough coverage back there for her. So, but it's really cute. I like the angle. I have to get used to the angle. It's kind of edgy. And I really have found since I started wearing wigs that I can be a little on the conservative side as far as hairdos are concerned. So, so anyway, but she is cute, and I'm getting used to her. I've been wearing her, and you know, just kind of getting used to her. And I've really been happy since I got her off of my face a little bit. So I want to show you how I used my hot air brush. This is just a not too expensive Conair hot air brush. Now, with it being not too expensive, this barrel does not turn on its own. I have another one that I used to use when I had hair, and the barrel does turn, but I feel like the bristles on that other one might grip the hair too much, and I'm afraid it's gonna mess up the wig. So all I do whenever I try to get this off my face is I put it on low, because you don't want to use the high heat, because this is not heat-friendly synthetic. I wouldn't use the high heat anyway, but I've just been kind of working this side to try to get it just to go back a little bit off of my face. And I think with time, with me working with a little more, it will, you know, help pull it off my face a little bit. It just, with my face, I don't know, it really elongates my face, you know, when the hair is like this. I mean, you see, I'm just like a little rectangle strip in there if it's like that. So anyway, so she's super cute. Let me pop her off and we'll look at the inside of the cap. Okay, so as you can see, lace front, temple to temple, left side monopart, closed lace up here, and there is some permatease on this wig. I can see it at the wefting, and I can see it up here, but it's hidden well by the hair hangs over it and it's hidden well, so I'm okay with it. It's got a lot of hair, so it almost needs something for a little lift. It's got the velvety felt ear tabs. It has not really an extended nape, but it has that velvet across there. Has the bra strap type adjusters. So really, really cute. Cute wig and nice cap construction. Noriko makes a very nice wig. I mean, I just can't say anything bad about their cap construction, their hair fibers. I mean, they're just really, really nice. So as you can see, once I put her back on, because like I said, she's, you know, wanting to go towards the face so much, I do have to kind of give her a comb, of course, and get her straightened back out. But she's really, really cute. I haven't really done much. To me, she's a wig that would just be worn in the style she came in. Now you could, of course, always put, you know, you could clip this part back off your face and that would be cute. You could do some little things like that. But as far as, you know, she's not gonna be a ponytail wig or anything like that, because she's longer in the front than she is in the back, and you're gonna get this, I guess, show you how you're gonna get like this bulk at the front, and I don't know, I'm not crazy about that. So let me show you her ear tabs before I forget. Ear tabs are nice, but I think the metal could be, the metal piece in there is kind of thin. I think they could have a little more substantial metal in there. So, but they do, you know, hug my face and they stay in place like they should. So the ear tabs come down a little long on me, but that's good coverage. If you have hair under there, that would be really good coverage. But they're too long for me to tuck all the hair behind my ear. If I'm gonna do an ear tuck, there's gonna be some hair that's gonna stay in, you know, in front of that ear. So anyway, I think I have covered her. She's a cute little piece. She's been comfortable for me with the summer months because she is shorter back there in the back. So cute, edgy, little angled bob. This is Taylor by Noriko. I appreciate you coming to my channel. I appreciate you watching my videos. Until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.